Now students, read question number 12, that is very good question. If A and B are square matrices of same order such that AB is equal to BA, then prove by induction to prove first AB to the power n is equal to B to the power n A by induction method, and also AB to the power n is equal to A to the power n B to the power n. This is given, this one is given, where A and B are square matrices of same order. Okay, so for all this is given that n belongs to natural numbers. आप जानते हो इंडक्शन मेथड नेचुरल नंबर्स पे ही लगता है. So I am going to prove this. You know that there are 3 steps in induction method for proving any statement. So suppose कर लो इस statement को Pn. Let Pn is a b to the power n is equal to b to the power n a. So step first में हम क्या करते हैं? Step first में हम शो करते हैं कि P1 is true. So P1 क्या आएगा? P1 is a b to the power 1, that is b to the power 1 a. We will replace n by 1 at its place. This is AB is equal to BA, and which is given. AB is equal to BA is given. So this is true. Which is true. Okay. So P1 is true. This statement is true. This P1 is true. फिर सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या करते हैं? इन स्टेप सेकेंड लेट PK is true means we have to put n in by k. So let a b to the power k is equal to b to the power k a is true. This statement is true. Suppose करो. And in third step we have to prove again. To prove we have to prove pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true means we have to prove that a b to the power k plus 1 is equal to b to the power k plus 1 into a. So I am going to prove this. Consider its left hand side. I am going to rub this one and see AB is equal to BA is given. Okay, so I am going to rub this first and second first step from here. I am going to rub this. See, consider its left hand side. Left hand side is AB to the power k plus 1. Can be written as AB to the power k into B. You can write this. Now AB to the power k is equal to b to the power k a. A b to the power k is equal to b to the power k a. So this a b to the power k can be written as b to the power k a, okay, into b. See, this can be written as a b to the power k into b, and from step second you can see a b to the power k is equal to b to the power k a is true. ये हमने suppose किया. So a b to the power k will be replaced by b to the power k a, okay, into this is b. So that will be b to the power k a into b, because we know that matrix multiplication holds the associative law. Now it is already given that AB is equal to BA. So this AB can be replaced by BA. So this one is B to the power k into BA. Now again by associative law it will be B to the power k into B into A. Now b to the power k into b will be b to the power k plus 1 into A. So from here we have a b to the power k plus 1 is equal to b to the power k plus 1 A, means that is p k plus 1 is true, okay. So by PMI, principle of mathematical induction, this statement is true for all n. A b to the power n is equal to b to the power n A for all n belongs to natural numbers, okay. So this one will be homework for you. This is also easy. If after solving this part, if you have any problem, then ask me through the group. That will be homework for you. Now next question number 13. Read question number 13, everyone. Question number 13 is, if A is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha such that A square is equal to identity matrix, then ये मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है. देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस. इनमें से कौन सा फॉलोइंग आपके पास बुक होगा, आप देखो. इन 4 में से कौन सा ट्रू होगा ये हमें देखना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू चेक दिस. इट इज गिवन A square is equal to I. So A square means A into A, that is equal to I, identity matrix. So A is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. Again A is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. That is I means 1 0 0 1. Multiply these two. We have first row first column, alpha into alpha, alpha square, beta into gamma plus beta gamma, alpha into beta, alpha beta, minus alpha beta, gamma into alpha, alpha gamma, minus alpha gamma, and gamma into beta, gamma beta, and minus minus plus alpha square is equal to 1 0 0 1. Clearly alpha beta minus alpha beta is 0, alpha gamma minus alpha gamma is 0. Clearly this alpha square plus beta gamma should be equal to 1. The same way here also you can see that should be equal to 1. That is same alpha square plus gamma beta. This is also alpha square plus gamma beta. And you can see this two alpha beta minus alpha beta will be cancelled. Alpha gamma minus alpha gamma will be cancelled. It will be 0. It will be 0. So at the same places in the right side matrix is 0 there. So it should be possible. So 1, transfer these two to left side, minus alpha square minus beta gamma, that should be equal to 0. So see which option is correct. So I think option number 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. C is correct. Okay. Now question number 14. Question number 14. Read everyone. Question number 14. Question number 14 is, if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then which one of these are correct? Clearly you know this. If A is symmetric and skew symmetric both, then it will be null matrix. Clearly A will be null matrix. A will be null matrix. और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं. ठीक है ना? तो ऑप्शन नंबर B is correct. null matrix को जीरो मैट्रिक्स भी कहते हैं, तो B is correct. Okay? So option number B is correct. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। देखो मैं फिर से इसको बता दूं, अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स स्क्यू और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक और सिमेट्रिक दोनों है, ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब वो नल मैट्रिक्स हो, और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं हो। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, that is the last question of this miscellaneous exercise. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then I plus A cube minus 7A is equal to, और ऑप्शंस गिवन है, इनमें से क्या होगा ये हमें देखना है। And it is given that A square is equal to A. See, we know that x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, okay, and plus y cube, okay, and minus this is 7a. Clearly I cube is I plus this is 3, I square is I into a plus 3i, a square is a square is a plus a cube can be written as a square into a minus this is 7a. Now this one is I plus 3i into a, because I is identity element for the matrices, this should be equal to a, I into a, I identity element होता है, तो I को किसी भी मैट्रिक्स में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो मैट्रिक्स स्वयं मिल जाएगी, खुद ही मिल जाएगी, मींस I into a should be equal to a. Again here I into a is a, and here a square is a square is a, so this is a into this is a minus 7 minus this is 7a, that is I plus 3 plus 3 6a plus this is a square minus 7a. Again this is I plus 6a, and again a square is what? A square is 8 is given. A square is 8 is given minus 7a. Clearly this one is 6a plus a 7a minus 7a, that is null matrix. So I plus null matrix, that is I. So your answer will be I. ये नहीं लगेगा, यहाँ पे मैंने बार बार implications लगाए हैं, implications नहीं लगेगा, equality लगेगी यहाँ पे। That is equal to, that is equal to, that is equal to, equal to, equal to, equal to, equals to, means this is I will be correct. So option C is correct. Option C is correct. So today we have finished this miscellaneous exercise, chapter number on chapter 3. Next time we will start determinant. That is very important for you. That's enough for today. Thank you so much.